partner is
Erbol.
We are from Kyrgyzstan, studying at our high school. So let us introduce our project. Removing heavy metals from water. The new water treatment system.
Nowadays, one of the most worrying problems in the world is the problems of environmental sources, actually water. And there are many problems in some countries with the lack of the water. And there may be seen in the following 20 or 50 years the same problems in the more countries. And to solve that problem, for example, in the average from the 6 to 8 liters of water is only used in toilet, actually clean water. And if we'll use recycled water in such areas, we can save 50% of economy, and at the same time we can reduce the costs for the water. So to do that, we first of all have thought about creating such water treatment system that will be available for all countries, not only for developed countries, also for the less developed countries. So this project will not use the mechanical things, chemicals that is not profitable for all countries. It will use only ecologically clean aquatic plants that is available and will be much cheaper than the others. So the materials.
Okay, so let us talk about materials. Our materials are completely natural and available. Firstly, for our project we use ecological angiospermic duckweed plants. There are 3 types of duckweed plants. Okay, there are water lentils, water hyacinth, and water lily. Water lentils are the world's fastest growing aquatic duckweed plant. According to the literature, water lentils has been growing twice as fast as other duckweed plants.
The main character of the duckweed plants, duckweed aquatic plants, is that it can clean, it can control the balance of the ecology in the water, and it can reduce the amount of nitrogen, denitrification, at the same time reduce the amount of ammonia if it will be on the surface of the meat, surface of the lake, or on the surface of the hands. So it's the main character that it can absorb all the heavy metals in the water, in the west water. So it's the main advantage, it's the main feature of these plants, aquatic plants. These plants is ecologically clean, and it will not, and it doesn't have any harmful things that will harm our environment. It's not like any other chemicals. It's actually clean environmentally. So then we first of all thought about creating the mechanical pools, 5 pools.
Okay, and then we need 5 pools for our project with the radius of the 5 meter and the 8 meter depth. Firstly, we bring water from canalization to the first pool, and then we make mechanical cleaning. After that, we wait an hour until the other waste materials pile down to the deepest part of the pool because of the density. After that, we transfer this water to a second pool, and we make that what we made in the first pool, we made also this one in the second pool. After that, we take this water to the third pool. In the third pool, there will be planted water lentils. Its leaves will be on the surface of the pool, and the roots will be under the water connected to the soil. In here, we wait water for 3 days. During the 3 days, this water lentils absorb all heavy metals to itself.
And after absorbing all of these heavy metals and bad materials to itself, we transfer the water from the third pool to the first pool by the using of the and after the third pool, in the first pool, the water hyacinth will absorb all the heavy metals to itself, during this 2 days, and after the 2 days we transfer the water from the first pool to the fifth pool. In the fifth pool they will planted water lily, and water lily is the main character that it can absorb all bad smells. And you know, in the canalization there is a bad smells, very awful smells, and it absorbs all smells. And after that we can think that it's almost a clean water. Actually we can use this water in the farms, in the agriculture, but of course we can't drink, but at least we can use this in other things, and we recycle and use it also in the toilets. So it's the best way of recycling. It will be more cheaper, and it's use ecological clean things, and it's the data. Actually we don't have any time to explain about the data more detailed, so if you want to see about the data, you can look at the paper tip. There's everything is written there, and after we can conclude that we can all sum up, and you can think, we can be sure that all of these things is dug with aquatic plants is mainly domestic. We can grow them in our homes. The result efficiency is more effective result than the other aquatic water treatment systems, and the cost is lower than the other water treatment systems. So in conclusion, I want to say, let's change this.